You're welcome back and many thanks for staying. Now, smallholder African farmers are being exposed to modern farming techniques and practices to make them more efficient and improve their yields without necessarily relying on the GM technology. For the past 2 years, researchers have been working with farmers in South Africa on the community of practice technology, and they hope to bring on board farmers from other parts of the continent. Well, Adelaide Arthur reports on a 2-day conference in Kwazulu-Natal in South Africa to evaluate the impact of technology transfer and whether GM can improve food security.
The project, over the 2-year period, sought to transfer knowledge and skills to some 60 small growers in 3 communities in the Kwazulu-Natal province through field demonstrations. Among the varieties that were tested were local, hybrid, and GM corn. The Community of Practice project also sought to explore what smallholder farmers thought about GM crops, as well as their views on appropriate technologies that can help develop small-scale agriculture.
Yeah,
she learned about no-till systems or no-till technique of maize production. She has also learned some of the things that she can do by herself without looking for any further assistance from other places.
The researchers stressed the primary purpose of the project was not to advocate a particular technology over the other.
To date in Africa, very few small farmers have ever used GM technology, so there is no evidence to show to date, just theoretical evidence, that this might be the best solution for small farm problems. It is a possible solution in comparison to others. So, for example, hybrid varieties might be better than GM varieties just because of the money constraints that farmers have, for example.
It emerged the farmers were particularly concerned about weed control and how to save labor. The researchers found after engaging farmers that GM crops were most successful. Professor Maize, however, says their work has not yet come to an end regarding GM crops and how they can improve food security.
The constraint they always see is the cost, and in this case they're weighing this increased cost and increased management time with the benefits that they see. We'll have to wait and see if they continue to use these practices when they need to purchase the inputs themselves. One of the things that looks promising on that score is that the patent for the traits that are in the BT and the HT varieties is going to expire next year, in which case those traits will be available for public use.
The university intends to engage small growers in similar projects in other African countries. Smallholder rural farmers in Ghana may possibly benefit from such projects in future.
If successful, we will scale it out to other countries in Africa. The initial countries are Tanzania and Mali, but Ghana is on our list.
The University of Missouri-led project was managed by the KwaZulu-Natal Agriculture Union and funded by the John Templeton Foundation.